Hello everyone, and in today's Hebrew lesson we'll continue to learn the grammatical structure in Hebrew of the subjunctive mood. This is all of the cases that we are hypothetically doing something. So in today's lesson we're going to learn the sentence structure of I would if. So in Hebrew we will use haiti im. So we will use the conjugation of the verb liot according to the pronoun of the subject, and then we'll use im. Let's see a few examples. I would eat sushi if I loved fish. הייתי אוכל סושי אם הייתי אוהב דגים. I would buy a car if I had a driver's license. הייתי קונה אוטו אם היה לי רישיון. Would you travel to Korea if you had money? היית נוסע לקוריאה אם היה לך כסף? No, if I had money, I would travel to Canada. לא, אם היה לי כסף, הייתי נוסע לקנדה. So if you don't really understand the היה לי, הייתה לי, everything that I had, you should watch the video about possession, about the le pronoun in past tense. Would you learn French if you had time? היית לומדת צרפתית אם היה לך זמן? Yes, if I had time, I would learn French. כן, אם היה לי זמן, הייתי לומדת צרפתית. Yossi would eat pizza if he was not on a diet. יוסי היה אוכל פיצה אם הוא לא היה בדיאטה. מיכל would buy an apartment if she would want to. מיכל הייתה קונה דירה אם היא הייתה רוצה. Would you buy an apartment in New York if you had the money? הייתם קונים דירה בניו יורק אם היה לכם כסף? No, we would not buy an apartment in New York even if we had money. לא, לא היינו קונים דירה בניו יורק גם אם היה לנו כסף. Would you do that if you could? הייתן עושות את זה אם הייתן יכולות? If we could, we would do that. אם היינו יכולות, היינו עושות את זה. Avi and Yossi would not do that. אבי ויוסי לא היו עושים את זה. סיוון and Sapir would do that if they could. סיוון וספיר היו עושות את זה אם הן היו יכולות. So thank you so much for your attention guys, and I hope that you have found this video educating. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. So in those 3 videos we have learned how to use the subjunctive mood in Hebrew. It's everything that is hypothetical. I would, I could, if I would, I could, etc. So nevertheless, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.